Helen, can I ask something?
Sure, Jane. What's going on?
I overheard something this morning.
Oh. What did you hear, Jane?
They were whispering about our boss.
That doesn't sound good.
They called her cold and fake.
Careful, Jane. That's dangerous territory.
But I didn't say anything.
Even listening can cause trouble sometimes.
I was just walking past them.
Still, your name might get mentioned.
So I should ignore gossip completely?
Yes. Gossip spreads fast and hurts.
But what if they include me?
Change the subject or walk away.
Okay. I'll stay out next time.
Smart move. Office drama spreads quickly.
I heard someone criticize her voice.
That's personal. Definitely not okay, Jane.
It made me uncomfortable, honestly.
Trust your gut. Silence is power.
I thought office talk was normal.
Harmless chat is fine. Gossip isn't.
I get it now. Thanks.
Want to know common mistakes?
Sure. I'd really appreciate that.
Number 1, don't insult coworkers.
Even behind their back, right?
Especially behind their back, yes.
What's number 2 on your list?
Don't say, that's not fair.
Why not? Isn't fairness important?
Yes, but tone matters more.
Oh, so it sounds negative?
Exactly. It sounds like complaining.
Got it. I'll rephrase carefully.
Good. Try saying, can we clarify?
That sounds more professional and polite.
Number 3, don't mention salaries.
Really? I thought that's normal.
Not at work. It causes problems.
Like people comparing each other?
Yes. It builds resentment quickly.
Okay. No salary talk, understood.
Number 4, don't insult company policies.
Even if I disagree privately?
You can suggest improvements respectfully.
But not say, this rule's stupid?
Never. That's a red flag.
What's number 5, Helen?
Don't share personal secrets too soon.
Like about my family life?
Yes. Keep boundaries at the beginning.
Okay. I won't overshare things.
It's okay to build gradually.
That makes sense. What's next?
Number 6, avoid office romance talk.
You mean don't flirt at work?
Or don't gossip about who's dating.
That happens a lot here actually.
And it creates awkward situations later.
Got it. Stay professional always, right?
Exactly. Number 7 is huge.
What's that one? Now I'm curious.
Never say, that's not my job.
Why not? It's being honest.
It sounds rude and uncooperative.
What should I say instead?
Say, I'm happy to assist.
Even if it's outside my role?
Yes. Teamwork gets noticed fast.
I want to seem reliable.
You already do. Just stay consistent.
Thanks, Helen. You're really helpful.
Number 8 is subtle but serious.
Let me guess. Personal attacks?
Close. Joking about people's looks.
Oh. Like teasing their appearance?
Yes. Even harmless jokes hurt people.
What if everyone laughs together?
Doesn't mean everyone's comfortable, Jane.
That's true. I didn't consider that.
Number 9, don't badmouth former jobs.
But what if my boss was awful?
Say, I learned a lot instead.
That's more professional and neutral.
Exactly. It shows maturity and growth.
What's the final tip, Helen?
Never say, that's how she is.
You mean about someone difficult?
Yes. It excuses bad behavior.
What's a better way to respond?
Try, let's work toward solutions.
That shifts focus positively, right?
Exactly. Keep things productive always.
I've learned so much today.
I'm glad. You're doing great.
I was nervous about fitting in.
Just stay kind and professional, Jane.
I'll definitely avoid those 10 mistakes.
That's a great goal to have.
I'm really grateful for this advice.
Anytime. You can ask me anything.
What do you do about gossip?
I walk away or redirect gently.
What's a good line to use?
Say, let's not talk about people.
That's subtle and respectful too.
It sets a strong example, always.
I want to be that person.
You already are, just be mindful.
I was worried I messed up.
No, you're still learning. It's fine.
This really helped my confidence, Helen.
I'm happy to hear that, Jane.
Can we talk again tomorrow?
Of course. I'm always here.
Do you think the boss knows?
She always notices more than people think.
That makes me nervous, honestly.
Use that as motivation to grow.
You're right. That's wise advice.
Mistakes happen. Growth matters more.
Do you ever slip up too?
Yes, but I recover with grace.
That's a skill I want too.
You'll get there. One day's progress.
Thank you again for your time.
Always, Jane. You're doing well.
I'll write these down tonight.
Good idea. Review them often.
Could we roleplay some situations?
Sure. Want to start one now?
Okay. Let's pretend someone gossips.
I'll say something mean. You redirect.
Ready. Go ahead, say something.
Did you see her outfit today?
Let's focus on the project instead.
Perfect response. Calm and respectful tone.
That felt surprisingly easy, actually.
It takes practice like anything else.
Should I teach others too?
If they're open, absolutely yes.
Maybe we could create a guide?
That's a fantastic idea, Jane.
We'll call it Positive Office Talk.
Catchy. And very useful for newcomers.
I'm excited to share this knowledge.
Me too. Let's make a difference.
I want to build good culture.
You're already starting that now.
This conversation changed my perspective today.
That means a lot, thank you.
People should hear this more often.
They really should. Let's spread it.
Maybe even make a short video?
Let's do it. Great idea, Jane.
I'll start planning right after work.
I'll help too. Let's collaborate.
10 things never to say, right?
Yes, and 10 ways to grow.
That's our perfect message here.
Strong message. Kind language. Positive change.
This will help new staff too.
And remind old staff what matters.
I feel much more confident now.
That's the goal. Empower through knowledge.
Thanks again, Helen. Truly appreciate everything.
You're very welcome, Jane. Anytime.